When your DeLonghi air conditioner starts blowing warm air or shutting off unexpectedly, a malfunctioning fan is often the culprit. Let's walk through the essential troubleshooting steps to get your unit working properly again. First, check the power supply. Ensure your unit is properly plugged into a functioning outlet with the correct voltage. Then check your home's circuit breaker panel to make sure the breaker hasn't tripped. Next, verify your unit settings. Make sure it's set to cooling mode and the temperature is set lower than the current room temperature. Avoid using auto mode as it can cause inconsistent cooling performance. Now assess the airflow. Check for strong airflow coming from both the front of the unit and the exhaust. Weak or no airflow indicates a potential problem with the fan or air circulation system. Inspect the exhaust hose carefully. Look for any kinks, bends, or blockages that could impede proper airflow. A blocked or kinked exhaust hose will prevent your air conditioner from cooling effectively. Finally, clean the air filters. Dirty filters are one of the most common causes of reduced cooling. Remove the filters and clean them with a vacuum cleaner or soapy water. Make sure they are completely dry before reinstalling them. These initial troubleshooting steps address the most common causes of DeLonghi air conditioner fan problems. By checking power, settings, airflow, exhaust hose, and filters, you can often resolve cooling issues without professional help.